right there, because right now the outside unit, usually we call it the condenser outside, but it's the outdoor air unit. It's actually
Right, you can't have condenser because as soon as you flip it, it's
exactly.
no longer condenser.
So if you look right here, it's blue. It is blue because it's kind of in cooling mode right now.
Okay.
All right. So the whole point is this:
Will it automatically turn to red when it switches?
if it needs to, yes.
Right, okay.
So here's the issue, right? We got one outside unit connected to 11 indoor units.
Right.
What happens if that one outside unit goes down?
Yeah.
You have nothing.
Right.
And that's the issue. That's what we serviced this building for years.
One unit, or is that 2 units outside?
It has 2 coils.
Okay, two coils outside
Yeah.
are maintaining 11 heads,
Exactly.
hot or cold.
Yes, sir. And if that one unit goes down, you have nothing.
What about the second unit?
No, this is one. This whole thing is one.
Oh, right, I'm looking. Okay, I'm
So it
looking
has
at
2 coils. You see
Right,
that?
yeah, I'm looking at this as the unit.
Yes.
You're saying this is.
Yes.
So this is the thing that's right behind it.
Yes. So this whole thing is the outside unit. This whole thing is the outside unit. This
And
one,
This one thing is maintaining 11 of them.
11 of the indoor units.
Is this the way your software looks now?
Well, we have software that looks like this, but here's the problem,
For
right?
the test.
So here's the problem, right? How many feet of refrigerant line do you think that we have here? We have thousands of
You're
feet of
talking about
refrigerant line.
in order to get it to the head.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, so here's the next problem. We have one problem. If this unit shuts off, all 11 of these indoor units stop working. That's the first
Well,
problem.
they have to. You're missing half the system.
Exactly. The second problem is this. All of these units are connected together. You have thousands of feet of refrigerant line, which means you have hundreds of pounds of refrigerant. And if there is a refrigerant leak somewhere,
A lot of pressure, man.
well, if there's a refrigerant leak and you have A2L refrigerant, you are going to leak
A2L is the flammable
the
shit?
flammable refrigerant. You are going to leak hundreds of pounds of flammable refrigerant into a space.
Space being wherever this fucking is.
Exactly. So imagine this room right here with 100 pounds. Forget about the flammable part. Number one, it's heavier than air. So you're going to suffocate everybody in here. Number two, if it's flammable, if somebody sparks up a match or
You're going to
something.
suffocate everything because it comes down?
Yes, because it's heavier than air. Refrigerant is heavier than air.
And you're saying that's the only thing we're going to end up breathing in because it's going to push all the air out?
Exactly. That's why the mechanical room, you ever see the yellow box outside the mechanical room, the scuba? Because if you have a refrigerant leak and the alarm start going off, you're supposed to put the scuba on because it will suffocate you because the refrigerant is heavier than air.
And it will, and there'll be no air in the room.
There'll be no air in the room. So on